you're working on the painting, the color combination thing as well plays the important role. Okay, so if you have a darker shade over here, I'll be using lighter shade over here for this circle to make this flower look attractive. Fine. So let's learn the texture technique now. So I'll be taking my pink color. Okay, let's take pink color. So how do we make a pink color? We'll be mixing our red and our white color, right? And always for texture effect, guys, you will be using your tube colors. We have two colors, right? We have liquid ones and we have the tube colors as well, right? Tube colors are normally thick. So whenever you want a texture kind of an effect, you always need to use your tube colors. Fine. So I am just taking red and white color in my palette. I'll show you. See, I took red and white color over here in my palette. I'll just be mixing it. Just a second. Okay. So I don't want a darker shade. So I'll just be taking a little bit of red, more of white color. I'll be mixing it. Yeah. Okay, and whenever you want a texture effect, you need to apply your color in good quantity. Okay, so I'm just lifting my color and I'm applying it. We won't be spreading our color. Okay, I'm lifting it and I'm applying it. Okay, so you will end up using more color over here. Lift it and apply it. Okay, I'm just lifting my color and I'm applying it again. Throughout, I'm lifting it and I'll be applying it again. Okay, and there are few things like few patches we can do it normally. So I'll be spreading my color normally over here. I am just coloring normally. So are you able to see that difference? For the texture effect, we are taking more color and we are spreading it randomly. We are spreading it normally over here to get a flat thing. Fine. Now I'll be washing my brush and we'll be working on this texture effect. So how do we get a spiral kind of a shape? You need to take your earbud. You'll be placing your earbud over here and we'll just keep on moving our earbud in the circular direction. We just keep on doing it slowly. So are you able to see this texture effect? We ended up getting a flower over here, right? So I hope everyone was able to follow it. And even any doubt, I hope I am clear how to get this effect. And now you can cover that white color lines over here with your pink color. Am I clear? Can I get a quick confirmation from everyone? That would be great. That would be really helpful. Okay. And trust me, guys, it is like very relaxing when we do this technique. Okay. So you won't be, unfortunately, you won't be able to experience it right now because majority, everyone of one is observing it. But when you do it by yourself, trust me, it's going to look amazing. And I am sure you guys are going to like it. Okay, so now I'll end up applying more color over here because I want a texture flower over here as well. So I'm just taking my white color and I'm applying it directly and I'll tap it. Okay, I am just tapping it slowly. You can just see the difference in the amount of the color that we are using to get a texture effect and to get a normal effect. So again, I'll be taking my earbud. I won't be using that same bud. Okay, I need to change it. And then I'll start making that spiral thing. So I'll be starting from the center part. You need to apply pressure. You'll just keep on turning it slowly. Okay, and I'll just lift it. I'll remove that extra color from here and I'll be doing it on the other side as well. So that's how you'll end up getting a texture effect. And now we want our work to look professional, right? So we definitely will be fixing our edge over here. So you can take your round brush, you can take your flat brush, and you can just fix your edge. So I hope everyone is able to follow it. If anyone has any doubt, do let me know. I'm also making like small white color circles over here. Okay. Maybe I'll make it over here as well. A small white color circle. Fine. After this, I will be coloring this circle normally with my black color. So one more technique, like I'll share one more tip with you all that will help you all when you are working on your edge. Whenever you are working on your edge, make sure that you take your round brush, okay, and you can actually apply a little bit of water so that you will be able to spread your color easily. Whenever you are facing to spread, whenever you are facing a problem to spread your color, you can always add water while you are using your acrylic colors. Okay, let it be on any surface. Okay, and now make sure that you keep on washing your brush in between. I'll be taking my black color and I'll be doing it over here at the center. So I am basically making it colorful. I am using different colors over here for my flower. So some of them I'm giving a texture kind of an effect. Some of them I'm just keeping it simple. I'll also make a black color flower over here as well. Okay, over here. Maybe a smaller one over here. So that's how we'll cover our background. I'll do it over here as well. Be a little careful if you did that texture effect. You'll end up getting color over there on your finger, on your hand. So be a little careful. I'll just do it like this. Yeah, that is the best way how we can do it. You can just keep on turning your canvas. Okay, so I hope everyone is able to follow till here. I'll be making one more flower. Maybe this flower, I'll do it with my gray color. Okay, so I'll just be mixing my black color and my white color to get my gray shade. Okay, and as I said before, if you use your liquid colors, everyone, you won't be able to get a perfect texture effect. But if you use your tube colors, you will end up getting a beautiful texture effect. Okay, so I'll just end up making a little lighter shade because I have light gray already over here, right? So I'll add a little bit of more white color. That it should be visible. Let's add a little bit of black. I just added a darker shade because even when I was adding a lighter shade, my background color and my flower was looking similar. So as I said, the color combination thing also plays an important role, right? So if you have a same shade over there for your flower and your background, you won't be able to see that difference, right? And we definitely want to highlight our flowers. So make sure that there should be a difference over there between your shades. Fine. After this, I'll be taking my earbud again. Shall I start from the center part or shall I start from the outer part? Anyone? Let's see who was observing it. Center part or outside? Okay. Is it, shall I start from the outer part first? I was always starting from the center part, right, guys? I'll be starting from the center part. Look, center part. I'll keep on turning and I'll keep on coming outward. Center part, guys, center part. And I ended up having a thick shade over here, right? So you can just spread it and you can just lift it. And I'll just be fixing my edge. Okay, after this, I will be using a little bit of darker gray shade over here. Do we have a question over there in the chat? But there's another. No, 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 no. We'll always be starting from the center part. The reason is if you keep on starting from the outside, it's a little difficult to get a perfect spiral shape. So I have tried like both the methods, and this is the best one. You can always start from the center part, so it will be very easy for you. I thought Zumana might be having an idea because you already attended my Doodle master class. So we did the spiral shape, right? I'm just fixing my edge over here. And I hope you all are able to see it properly. There is a power cut, so thoda sa light kam hoga. But I hope you all are able to see it. I hope you all are able to follow it. If anyone has any doubt, do let me know. Isn't this satisfying just observing it as well? Yes, no, do type it over there in the chat box. I hope you all are enjoying and not getting bored because majority everyone is observing, and I hope you all are getting to learn something new. Yeah, I am sure Preeti is enjoying. Okay. Even Jumana is enjoying. Great. Great, guys. So I'll just be using a darker shade, or maybe I should use a lighter shade over here, right? So I'll just use a lighter shade, maybe over here, the semicircle kind of thing. Okay, and now I'll just be making lines over here. So what do you think? For making lines, shall I use my round brush or shall I use my flat brush? Anyone? Round brush or flat brush? What do you think might be more comfortable? Round brush, yes, perfect. You always need to use your round brush. So I'll be using my round brush and we'll be making vertical lines over here. And shall I add water if I want to get a smooth effect? Shall I add water or shall I do it directly? What do you think? Shall we add water? Yes, Preeti, perfect. We definitely need to add water so that we'll be able to like move our brush smoothly. Perfect. So everyone is clear with the concept. That's great. Nice. So I'll just be taking my black color now. In my palette, I'll be adding a little bit of, yeah, just the black color. I am adding a little bit of water. I took my round brush and we'll be making some lines. Okay, and you need to be actually very careful while you're working on your lines because we have a texture effect, right? So that thing is going to take lots and lots of time to dry. Okay, so I'll just make it over here, over here. Maybe a smaller one over here. And you can also use a different shade as well. So maybe now I'll use my white color. I'll just be taking my white color. I'm just taking white color over there in my palette and I'll make a small curve over here. A curve over, like a vertical line over here. A vertical line over here. Can we use other color instead of pink? Yeah, you can definitely do that. You can select your own color scheme and you can work on it. You can definitely do it, no worries. You can just select one single color as well, like and keep on adding white color or maybe black color to it. For example, blue color, you can just keep on doing that. I'll just be doing it over here for this last one. Yeah, so after this, I will let it dry. And yeah, we are done with our artwork. So how did you find it? It was simple, right? And it's looking good. But in real, trust me, it looks amazing because we also get a texture kind of an effect. So it's like simple and good, right? So everyone will be able to see it. Please tell the how to make the texture effect in circles. Okay, so first of all, you need to take more color over there. In this circle part, you need to apply that color. You'll be taking your earbud and you'll just keep on making that spiral shape. Okay, so basically you will take your earbud and you'll keep on moving it in the circular direction. That's how you'll be making a texture effect. Fine.